What do you think are the most significant bottlenecks to the ability to take what we're doing for Mars and apply it to Earth? Where are the friction points?
The friction points are, some of them may be regulatory, as in there's just some things we cannot do on Earth for a range of policy reasons. And actually, some of the core ones are our inability to work together, as putting on my government hat, sort of interagency coordination, being able to, what DoD does gets integrated by NASA, gets integrated by the Department of Commerce, that sort of thing. So I think we have, all of our bottlenecks are manufactured as opposed to natural. And I think those are the ones we need to work on.
The human constraints,
yes,
rather than the laws of physics.
Absolutely.
Right. That was alarming.
Yes, yeah. What warning are we missing?
Does anyone want to add to that? Any thoughts about what could be really slowing us down here from this goal of taking our Mars innovations and applying them back on Earth?
I mean, in the field of biology, that certainly is artificially constrained now, probably with good reason, especially with self-replicating systems that can potentially go haywire and fill the planet. Obviously, like the European Union has much stricter rules on GMOs than the United States does, for example. But there's definitely bottlenecks in place that we have put there. But we need some kind of critical evaluation of the bottlenecks. Not necessarily in aerospace where all the rules are written in blood, but there's certainly space to look at the regulations that we have and see how, if they are still applicable, because we've had a lot of legacy technologies that have come and gone, right? There's a lot of regulation around lead paint. Well, it turns out lead's not the best pigment. We found a number of other ones since then. Even if it wasn't illegal right now, you probably wouldn't use it. So things like that, where the regulations might have been a historical artifact more so than necessary in present day, I think there's space to resolve that.